Hello! Welcome back to the channel. This is Marky again from PH Books and More, and I am back with another bookish video. So today we are now in part 11 of my bookshelf tour. Grabe, lagpas na tayo sa kalahati. So konting-konti na lang matatapos na yung series and I'm happy na matatapos ko na siya. This was really my goal for the end of the year, makagawa ng bookshelf tour video. I don't think ma-upload ko to ng December 31, but definitely on New Year's Day mapapanood niyo siya. So, fingers crossed. Okay. Now, as you can see, medyo bare yung background. Wala yung mga libro kasi yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. Yun yung isi-share ko sa inyo. Yung mga books from the third layer ng aking bookshelf. So, ang box na pag-uusapan natin today are actually, again, books na siya, no comic books. But most of these are from Visprint, which is a publishing company or which was a publishing company here in the Philippines. Siyang publisher ni Bob Ong, kung hindi kayo familiar. And ng iba pang mga prolific and well-known sa Philippine literature. So, share ko yun sa inyo. And then, may iba pang books from other publishers na sinama ko na lang din dito kasi, alam mo yun, para sa space, di ba? I think I have like two other authors na nandito rin sa box na to. So, I think we can go ahead and start with part 11 of my bookshelf tour. So, simulan natin sa mga libro ng, or sa ilang libro ng Visprint. I have a couple of them here. Isa-isahin ko na lang din, no? Okay. So, the first one is Alternative Alamat. This is by, or edited by, Paolo Chiquiamco. I'll just move this one para makita niyo maayos. Okay, so Alternative Alamat. The next one is Project 17 by Eliza Victoria. And then you have Xerox. This is written by David Ontiveros and illustrated by Alan Navarra. Here. And I also have Iteration 2 ng Xerox. Again, same writer and illustrator. There. And last one, I have Ang Labintatlong Pasaway. This is edited by June Cruz Reyes, so si Amang. I read this back in July, kung di ako nagkakamali, and this is one of the books na akala ko hindi ko ma-enjoy kasi medyo classic yung writing style ng mga stories, but I did enjoy them. So, isa tong revelation for me. So, Ang Labintatlong Pasaway. Okay, moving on, we have these ones. Just a second. Hindi ready. We also have this one from Eliza Victoria. So, this is 17 Prayers to the Many-Eyed Mother. Ayan. And this one, not really from Visprint or not really from Visprint or 19th Avenida, but this is from Psycom. Nilagay ko siya dito kasi may sinulat dito si Sir Nal, Ronaldo S. Vivo Jr. So sabi ko, ay parang dito ko siya dapat ilagay. So, ano lang siya, personal preference. So we have Basag by Juan Bautista. Ayan. Okay, let's move on to the authors. Magiging author-specific tayo. Let's start with this one. Very quick kwento about this author. Matagal ko na nakikita yung books niya sa National Bookstore. As in, high school pa lang ako nakikita ko na yung mga libro niya. I couldn't buy them back then kasi medyo mahal sila para sa isang high school student. So, ngayon, nabili ko na yung ibang books and I'm just glad na nagawa ko. And I I enjoy listening to his talks. Yung mga kwento niya reminds me of my uncle who passed away a few years ago. And yeah, I just love when he tells stories. So we have the books of Danton Remoto. So this is Ladlad 2. And this is an anthology. Yes. And then we also have Rampa. Ayan. There's Pulot Gata. Happy na Gay Pa. Ito, nabili ko sa Mount Cloud sa Baguio. Grabe, ang layo ng pinanggalingan. There. We have River Run. Then you have Boys Love. And the last one, The Heart of Summer. Di ko pa nababasa lahat to, but we'll get to there maybe during Pride Month of 2026. But we'll see. Tignan natin kung kailan natin siya malalagay sa ating reading list. Okay, the next one I have is from another author na na-enjoy ko yung sinulat niya sa 13 Pasaway. And na-realize ko na okay, parang dapat bumili ako ng mga books niya and try my best to complete all of them. Not all of them, but most of them. So, let's start. These are books by Alvin B. Yapan or Direk Alvin Yapan. So, the first one is Ang Sandali ng Mga Mata. I also have here Sambahin ng Katawan. This is the Filipino version. And then may translated edition din, which is Worship the Body. And then I have these two. One from, or not one, but both from the Ateneo de Manila Press. We have Love Potions and Other Stories. And then, Sangkatauhan, Sangkahayupan. There. Moving on to our next author, we have, I think, matagal ko nang nabasa yung mga libro niya. And I've always been a fan. Nai-enjoy ko yung wittiness ng mga stories, but at the same time, may lalim. So, I'm excited to read more of his books. Meron siyang nirelease na book last MIBF, and syempre babasahin natin yun soon. We have in here Eros S. Atalia. So, first one we have Ligo na Yung Lapit na Mi. Na-adapt na to into a movie, napanood ko na. Okay naman, na-enjoy ko naman siya somehow. Yan. Next one, we have It's Not That Complicated. Bakit hindi pa sasakupin ng mga alien ang daigdig sa 2012? Next is Taguangpong at Manual ng Pagpapatiwakal. Level Up. Ayan. Ang nag-illustrate pala nito ay si Sir Manix Abrera. Ayan. Next one, Wag Lang Di Makaraos. I read this back in, hindi ko maalala kung college or early 2010s, pero nabasa ko na siya and yan, na-enjoy ko naman to, pero nakakatakot yung ibang stories dito. Sobra. Okay, let's continue. We have Pexman, Nagsisinungaling Ako, or Pexman, Mamatay Man, Nagsisinungaling Ako, at iba pang kwentong kasinungalingan na di pa dapat paniwalaan. Haba ng subtitle. There. Then meron din ako nito, 3 Gabi, 3 Araw. This one may translated version din siya, pero hindi ko pa nabibili kasi hindi ko pa nababasa to. So parang Kailangan ko bang bilhin yun? Hindi ko pa nga nababasa yung Tagalog. Pero this one. Yan. And the latest release from Sir Eros Atalia, we have in here 30 Virgins. Yan. So this is from Avenida. And yeah, nabili ko siya noong September. And hopefully mabasa ko na rin siya. Hindi ko alam kung kailan, pero sana mabigyan ko ng panahon na mabasa. Okay, moving on, isa pang author na same with Sir Eros Atala, napaka-witty din ng writing style niya. Pina-follow ko siya sa Facebook and yung mga posts niya, sobrang benta sa akin. Yes, sobrang benta. And nakikita ko madaming reaction, so benta rin sa iba. So let's start. We have in here Titser Pangkalawakan at iba pang angas sa social network Underworld. So we have books by Joselito D. De Los Reyes. And next one, I Status Nation. And then we also have hashtag Pasahero. Here. And Troya, 12 kwento. Yan. May isa pa dito, but this one, editor si Sir Joey, Sir Joselito De Los Reyes, kasama ang iba pang mga prolific authors din. So we have High School. Kasama dito ni Sir Joey si Sir Rolando B. Tolentino and si Ferdinand Pisigan Harin. And finally, let's go to the last author on this collection or in this collection. Nalimutan ko palang sabihin, karamihan ng mga books dito, the ones from Sir Danton, Sir Alvin, Sir Eros, and Sir Joey, most of them are signed copies. So, sobrang importante nila sa akin kasi nga, permado yung copies. For me, just for me, the book becomes special kapag signed din siya ng author. And dito sa Pilipinas, madaling magpapirma ng libro. Okay? So, collect local books kasi mapapapirmahan niyo sila. Mas malaki yung possibility na mapapirmahan niyo sila kaysa sa mga foreign author. Okay, the last one I'm going to show you is one of my recent reads. Actually, yung isa sa libro niya yung recent reads ko. And na-enjoy ko yun. Na-enjoy ko lang sobra. Kaya sobrang excited din ako na basahin yung iba pang book sa kanyang roster. So we have the books by Siege Malvar. So the first one, this is Charged, Volume 1. And then this is a trilogy. So we have Rolls, Crash, and Dirt. Yeah. And then I also have this one, Wakasang Wasak. And his latest release from Avenida, we have Team Building. I've heard a lot of good things about this one, so sana mabasa ko na rin siya soon. Yeah. So that's about it. Those are all the books inside this particular box. Karamihan, di ba, Visprint or Avenida. But yeah, again, a few of these I've read, very, very few. So excited ako na mabasa sila in the near future. Hopefully in the near future. So thank you so much for listening to me rant about, not really rant, but blab about books. Please continue watching the series. We only have a few more left to go. Thank you again for spending your 15 minutes with me. This is Marky from PH Books and More, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!